Hey guys, it's Dom here, back with another video. Today's video is going to be about mobile optimization and responsiveness in UI and UX design of landing pages, websites, product designs, and so on. So I've gone ahead and want to record this video because I think most UI designers don't get or don't give too much attention to the mobile responsiveness actually. I think it's one of the most important and one of the key aspects when making a design work and making a website professional as possible for all of the devices actually. Just think about how many times you've gone out, just with your phone. Someone sends you a link, or you see a link on X, you click on it, and it redirects you to a crappy, half optimized or kind of optimized landing page. You just instantly close it, and that was it. Now, when you visit, let's say, a huge company's website, Notion, ClickUp, you can enter the website or landing page or even the actual app from any device. It works perfectly, it's seamless and it's easy for all the users. Now, this is what you wanna focus on when creating a professional design. Well, now actually, let's break down this project design. As I said, you may have seen it in the previous video, but I was talking about the desktop version. So let's give some clarity on the mobile as well. So as usual, starting from the navbar, really important. It's different from the desktop. Of course, you have less space and you want to use this space as efficient as possible. Now, here you won't be listing each and every page on the navbar because it doesn't look cool, you don't have space for it, and you want to focus on the most important CTA as possible, basically, which in this case was contact us, book a call, get in touch with us, and these type of CTAs for this specific landing page. If it's a product design, I would suggest making a singular CTA for the sign up or login, and on the actual page of the login or sign up, they can choose whether they want to log in or just sign up. Then you may have seen in the previous designs also that I like to include these type of I don't know how to call it, CTA, or a few keywords. Basically, this one I use to give more clarity to the visitor. It's a small CTA which they can click on, of course, and it's roughly a few keywords to describe the company within a few keywords. Then we got the header, subheader. I think it's really clean. In this specific case, this company works with huge ticket clients and bigger deals. Therefore, we will have more copywriting, because this in this case, it takes a lot more effort to actually convert a visitor into paying client or partnership or anything you wanna call. Then we got of course, the CTAs. They can get straight in touch if it's enough for them, or they can learn more, and this redirects the person to a certain section which you make. Then we've got the scarcity button, one spot left. It's not bad. If you A/B test it and it works for you, then good for you, but I think too many companies now use this small scarcity button, but it's really up to you. Now it's a bit different from the desktop. Let me show it to you. You can see this is the tablet, and now on mobile we left out couple elements. So You may be asking, why is it? So first of all, mobile definitely has smaller performance than a desktop, tablet, or anything, Therefore, we don't want to make it laggy. We also don't have the space for it. Therefore, in this specific project, it was better to leave it out, make it a lot cleaner, I think. And, focus on performance as well. So you can see, once again, I use this small, bullet point, if I can say that. This describes the, company. This tells also their mission, and ending this section with a smaller CTA, which is really nice. Next up, by the way, these bigger gaps are for Framer left out, because to make the scrolling a bit more, how can I say that? There is a certain effect in Framer, if I'm not wrong, which you have to leave out some space. So that is the reason before you start typing in the comment of the margins and spacing. So yeah, next up, we got, of course, the solutions they provide. Really important to give more clarity. As you can see, these 3 bullet points, once again, they are not next to each other because we don't have enough space. In this case, I had to get creative and come up with a better layout and, better solution. Now we've got these pretty illustrations, you can see, and these bigger cards. Now, one of my bigger regrets personally is that I left out too much space. The illustrations are kind of big, and for you to actually scroll through, it takes quite some time. And now if I had to remake it, I would make them a bit smaller, or there is another solution to make them not vertical but horizontal, so people can swipe, and check out each and every card like that. So we save space, and it's also convenient for the visitor. Next up, we've got, of course, this signature, which I showed you in the previous one. I would change it a bit as well, because the current sizing of the typography is kind of big. So I would personally change it right now, but it doesn't look bad. You can look up this landing page actually. We've got the signature, the CTA, and basically division, seizing the moment, and so on. Then we've got a couple more CTAs to further learn more. Revolution, of course, certain bullet points that structure this company. Then next up, we've got the opportunity, really important as well, because this website wanna hire off of the landing page as well. These ones I would maybe even leave it out, because it takes right now so much space and so much scrolling, it sometimes triggers the visitor, and they don't have the time for it usually, but yeah. Next up, we got the portfolio they have. Here also I would personally change and narrow it down a bit, because it's, once again, so much scrolling. Yeah. I was making this landing page, I think, a few months ago, and yeah, I learned so much throughout the time. I would change some stuff definitely. Maybe this these case studies could go on a different page, so it's also optimized for SEO, and we save some space as well, but it's whatever. After this one, I think this was not even developed, so we are not going to talk about it. About us, really important, because they want to provide as much trust for the visitor as possible. You can read through what they are about. Then another signature, what are their goals? You can see the team, you can get familiar with it and learn from them. Really important, I think. And then yeah, another CTA for possible hires, really important for them to leverage basically the landing page as much as possible and join us. And then the footer. So overall, I think the website is 90% what I would do right now as well, but there are certain features and design elements I would change right now. So to sum it up, I would change this a bit because the design takes up the whole space and people can get too much clarity. I would change the typography a bit, make these smaller, or change the layout to possibly horizontal and experiment with it. And other than that, I think this is a great example of a mobile optimization and how you can make it efficient. I hope you guys took some notes. Maybe that would be awesome if you guys took some notes, and let me know if this was valuable to you. And yeah, on to the next video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see, what you want to see more of. I got a couple ideas, let's say onboarding process, login pages, and there are so many topics I want to talk about. But for this video, this was it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.